Hey loves, in today's video, I am reviewing the LA Colors Glamour Gal 6-piece lookbook set from their 2021 holiday collection.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night.
I purchased the LA Colors Glamour Gal 6-piece lookbook makeup set from Family Dollar for $5.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life.
In addition to this set, I will be trying out 2 other LA Colors products. The first product is their eyeliner slash brow pencil in dark brown. I picked this up from Family Dollar for $1. It comes with 2 pencils as well as a sharpener. I used up my 3rd Kiss brow pencil and I thought it was time to try something new. I purchased their eye marker in black from Dollar Tree for also $1. I brushed my brow into the shape that I wanted. Now with the pencil, I am further defining that shape by outlining underneath and on top. This pencil is really soft and the color is a little darker than I wanted. I probably could have got away with using a brown. Now I am filling in my shape. I brushed the product through. Now I'm cleaning up using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Using my Basic Beauty Pointed Concealer brush, I am softening up the front of my brow. Overall, I like the pencil. Next time I'll just get it in a lighter shade. I am highlighting my brow bone with the Wet n Wild Single Shadow in Brulee using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. I am blending this brown directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the Coastal Scents Classic Detail Pointed Brush. The shadows in this palette are amazing. They are so soft and pigmented. I am placing the black shadow on the outer third of my lid using the BH Cosmetics Small Flat Shader. I am placing the shimmery copper on the center of my lid using the Coastal Scents Classic Small Shadow Brush. With the same brush, I am placing this beautiful rose gold on the inner third of my lid. This shadow is so pretty and my favorite in the palette. For my brow bone highlight, I am using one of my favorite LA Colors products, and it is their contour stick in the highlighter shade. It is so bright, shimmery, and easy to blend out. I am using the Energy 124, which is a fluffy brush, to blend my cream highlight into my shadow. I really like the LA Colors Eye Marker Eyeliner. It is very pigmented and applied so smoothly, it did not tug on or remove my eye makeup.
Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
I perfected and cleaned up my liner off camera. Now I am applying the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes mascara. I am using the AOA E115 to apply that brown shadow that I used in my crease to my lower lash line. Using the AOA E116, I am applying this shimmery purple to the remainder of my lower lash line. I am lining my waterline with the eyeliner pencil that came in the set. I do not like this eyeliner at all. The pigmentation is terrible. The staying power is terrible. It came out looking more like a light gray than a true black. I am completing my eye makeup by highlighting my inner corner with the LA Colors highlight in the shade Shine Bright using my BH Cosmetics V9 brush. I am using my e.l.f. Essential Blush brush. This blush is a very light pink. It was hard to pick this product up. It took a lot of layering for me, but it did layer nicely, and I was able to get it to a shade that I was happy with. The lipstick is a dark berry pink, and it is very creamy. I usually don't have any problems with LA Colors lip products, so of course I like this lipstick. I am topping the lipstick with the matching shimmer lip gloss. It is pretty much in the same berry pink shade, and it is not sticky. Here's my completed Glamour Gal eye makeup. Overall, I like how this look came together. Like I said, I am not a fan of the eyeliner pencil that came in the set. It is not dark enough and it doesn't have good staying power. But I love the eyeshadow palette. The shadows are amazing. Moving on to the face makeup, I'm not really a fan of the blush that came in the set either, but after I layered it, I did like the color that I got. As far as the lip products are concerned, I like both the lipstick and the gloss. I love their consistency and the color. Thank you so much for watching. Check the description for all of the products that I used to create today's makeup look. Have you tried any of the LA Colors 2021 lookbooks? If so, let me know in a comment down below. And until next time, bye loves!